How to use impact affiliate marketing. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use impact's affiliate marketing program. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, I'm on their main website impact.com, and this is how the website looks like. Looks really nice, looks really cool, pretty straightforward and simple. We have a lot of options over here that we can go ahead and use. So it's basically an affiliate marketing program. So for those of you who don't know what an affiliate marketing, it's basically a marketing strategy where companies, hire affiliates, and those affiliates go ahead and promote their products and get a commission or a percentage of sales as a form of payments. So it's pretty simple, it's really easy. And Impact also has a good and very decent affiliate marketing program. So let's go ahead and do that. So over here at the top we have, and in platforms we have partnership management platforms, we have discover and recruit, we have contract and pay, track, engage, project, monitor, and optimize. We have four brands over here. We have influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, mobile partnership, business development, fraud protection, analytics and attribution, services, and SaaS partnership marketing. Since we're here to have like an affiliate marketing, I'm gonna go ahead and open up affiliate marketing in another tab. And over here, this is how it looks like, as it's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward, just like the same homepage as last one. Now, how do you get started? Well, it's pretty simple. You're gonna have to, create an account or request a demo, right? Simply click on sign in over here, and then it's gonna check your browser over here. Let it run, be patient, let it do its thing. It's loading up everything, and when that is done, we can move forward. So over here, you just simply have to, sign in. And if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and create an account over here as a partner, as a brand, or as an agency. Now, you want to be a partner, so we'll click on partner. If you wanted to be a brand or an agency, you could have chosen those two options as well. It all depends on you. Then over here, to create an account, just simply enter in your first name, your last name, your email address, your username, your password, account display, and then over here just reCAPTCHA. Over here, clear the reCAPTCHA, agree to the terms and services, and click on create an account. Or you can go ahead and use any of these services such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Google to sign in if you already have an account. I'm actually going to go ahead and choose Google, and over here, as you can see, logged in with Google, we just have to enter a display name. Over here, clear the reCAPTCHA, agree to the terms and services, and click on create an account. An account with that name already exists. That's because it was loading up. It was a little bit slow, but now it is. Let me just get this out of the way real quick. And once you have signed in, this is how it looks like. So this is going to be your dashboard. You have your available balance over here, upcoming over here, approved but not due over here, and overdue over here. And this is basically a checklist where you have to complete your account. So basically create a public profile, submit a business information, validate email address, and find a brand. So it looks pretty cool, looks really simple. And then over here on the left side, if you click on this button right here, basically shows you your program and stuff like that. Then over here in the search option, you can search for any setting you want. And then down below, you have your profile picture, then you have your settings, and then you have your account and data feed and stuff like that. Now over here, basically, we have to create a public profile and find a brand, some business information. We have to do all of these things to, for our account to get verified and we can move forward. But this is basically how it is. And this was the home one. And over here, we will have reports. And if we click on all reports, it will show us all the reports that we have basically on every single aspect that we can imagine. So over here, we have performances, we have names, dashboards, descriptions, actions over here. Pretty simple. And then we have content over here. If we click on content, we will have assets, requests, resources, add tools, and stuff like that. All those things that we want to promote. So let's go back and go over to home and try to finish our profile. But basically, that's how you do it. All right. Let's go ahead and find a brand, and let me show you how it looks like. So if you come over here and I click on find a brand, but before that, we have to, complete the marketplace profile. Over here, we have to, let the marketplace know, companies know what we are, what we do, all of that. We have to complete this profile. It's a very tedious and long process, but generally this is how it looks like. Now once you have done all of that, once you've cleared all of that, you can move over to find a brand. Right, so over here what it will do is it will help you find a brand that you can work with, and you can apply to their program once you are accepted, of course. So that means that you have to complete your profile and wait for the verification to complete, accept it. You can go ahead and find you can go ahead and find a brand to promote, right? Or that's pretty much it for how the affiliate program works on Impact. Now, what if you already have, so now that, let's just assume that you are already are accepted, you have found a brand that you are working for and you would like to promote it. How would you make sales? Well, there are a couple of ways. First one is either YouTube, the other is TikTok, or Facebook as well. And another one is Facebook. Now, if you're wondering how you can, promote your products on TikTok or Facebook, well, it's pretty simple. Let me show you. So it's pretty simple. Let's just say, let me just show you, for example. Let's say you have a, program that you are promoting, all right? And that program's name is Doodly or Doodle Maker, right? We'll just search for Doodly, actually Doodle Maker. And over here, as you can see, this is the video right here over here, and we have a bunch of different videos that have, basically showing how you can use Doodly and how it works, basically reviewing it, right? So for example, let's just open up this video right here. And if we take a look at down in the description below, you will see this link right here. As you can see, this is the link for the Doodle Maker, software, and this is an affiliate link. So this is how you're basically going to promote it on YouTube. You're just simply going to use your computer, download the software, download this software called OBS. This is currently the software that I'm using to record videos, right? Just simply download this video, these softwares and this tool, and just simply make a small video on how Doodle Maker works. And then once you upload the video, just put a link over here and mention a couple of times in the video that there will be a link down in the description below if you want to download the software. Mention that sentence a couple of times, maybe like three, once in the beginning, once in the middle, and once at the end, so that you can maximize the people are going to click on your affiliate link. And once you've done that, people are going to click on your affiliate link, and that is basically going to help you make money. All right, same thing on TikTok. So on TikTok, what you're basically going to do is, you're going to do the exact same thing, but instead of putting your link in the description, you're going to put the link in your profile picture. So for example, if I click on search your account over here and I search for, let's say, dogs, or these accounts, dog trainers or whatever, if I click over here, all right, let's take this one for example, maybe this one has it. So over here, as you can see, this is the link. This is an affiliate, this is an affiliate link. This is basically a link to his YouTube channel. So but that's generally what we're going to be doing. We're going to be putting the links over here in the description of our profile for the affiliate links, and just telling them to go over here. And we can make these types of videos very easily. We can go over to different stock footage, stock footage websites, where we can find different stock footages about these foods, about dieting, about dogs or cats or whatever, and we can just upload them over here with a small little caption over here, like this one, as this person has done, with a big over here in the thumbnail, written like that. And then we can put this link over here as well, and that's how we're going to do it. Same thing with Facebook. We're going to go ahead and join a bunch of different groups related to the product we're trying to sell, and just simply a small video like the YouTube's video or like TikTok on Facebook, and put the link over there as well. So that's how we're going to promote our product. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.